Keep looking, because I saw lightning over there in that sky. You'll probably see it again.
I want to go see it.
Oh, did you see a little more?
Yep.
Did you see the lightning, Easton?
Yeah, I saw one.
Okay, here. Take my keys. Oh, did you guys see that?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't want to see it.
Do you like that sound, Jasper?
Put it
Easton, will
back.
you help Cambria? She doesn't know how to use the keys and she has to go to the bathroom.
I saw
Thank
a
you.
bolt. I'm good.
You saw it.
Yeah.
Oh, did you see that? Cool, huh? Think you're gonna see any more? Oh.
We're adding glass. I'm missing out on a lot.
Sounds like an F-22 is flying right over us. It sounds like a lot of people are taking their trash barrels out at once.
You're gonna hear some more thunder. Is it moving over that way? I think it is a little bit, huh? Oh, yeah, the bolts are coming over there.
Saw another one. Did you get any actual bolts on camera?
Yeah.
Mom, when is it going to start?
Oh, did you see
There's
that
one over
one? That was pretty bright, huh? That was over there. It's hard to tell when the next one's gonna be and where it's gonna be, huh?
You can hear that, the one from that one over there. If it hits a tree, then we're going inside, right?
They're not really close to us right now.
I know.
so. What do you think, Jasper? It's cool, huh?
How did I get the front door open?
With my keys.
Ooh.
Oh, you see that?
I saw that.
It's gonna be loud. Watch. Gotta wait. Listen. Yeah. Oh, you feel the rain coming. There it is.
Woo! There's a big one over there. Now would be a good time for me to have a surge protector for my PC. I just saw one over there. There's one.
Gonna hear another loud thunder.
I'm gonna go into this area. That's 4 miles away. I know, because I never do. Ooh, there's one right there.